Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Adult, your go-to place for incredible tech tips, mind-blowing tricks, and the latest in the world of technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Visit the website, upload the still image you wish to convert into a video, and provide any suggestions or directions for the video creation. Once you submit, the process will take some time on the free version. After the video is created, review it, and if you're satisfied, you can download it for use. Right in. Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technodol platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.